Hey everyone, today we are going to be taking a pirate cruise on Buccaneer Pirate Cruise in Destin, Florida. So we're taking out this gigantic pirate ship for a cruise, and it should be a good time. Let's get on there. Upon boarding the pirate ship, we got our family picture taken right here in front of the treasure chest. They do have some bathrooms on here for you, so make sure that you check out those bathrooms if you need them. Of course, you can go all the way up to the top here. Let's go take a peek up here. It looks like there's a bunch of people up here, but we'll take a peek. Stairs are steep, so make sure you hold on. Let's go to the front of the ship though. So obviously from the ship you can see Margaritaville here and some big hotels. We're right in the marina here with the Southern Star next to us. And we have the front of the pirate ship. Kind of neat. You can stand up here. You can watch everybody going by, all the traffic. Now we're going to go over to the other side. This is a fun theme ship though. So we're going to head out in just a few minutes. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the galley. So in the galley, they have some nice seating for you to go ahead and sit down, grab yourself some refreshments. So they do have a whole bunch of different things. So it looks like we have hot dogs, $6, chips, $3, cookies, granola bars. We can get hot dog, chips, and soda for $8, sodas for $3, and then of course smoothies, including pina coladas and a whole bunch of other goodies. It looks like they do have some alcoholic beverages as well. Oh, here's a menu for them. Looks like here's a peek at those alcoholic beverages. We have draft beer, cannonballs, and margaritas. Looks like everything's around $10-12 or so. And of course, if you get a little peckish, you have things here. And for your little Buccaneers, they've got some fun things like coloring book, pirate headbands, eye patches, all of the essentials for a pirate cruise. And if you get a little bit warm, it looks like they have some ice cream treats as well. A parrot. What cruise is not complete pirate cruise without a parrot or a pirate ship? So they have two big long tables like this on the inside here. Again, steep stairways, but they do have nice handrails for you to hold on. And there is some areas to go ahead and get out of the sun. All right, let's go on to the top deck here. We got ourselves a Buccaneer here. Arr. Is that what you call yourself?
Treasure hunter.
It's kind of neat how you can just stand here. Like, look at the pirate ship.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's got a vibe to it, man. It's a fun, family-friendly situation, you know? Getting ready to go out on the high seas for adventure.
You gonna go all the way up there?
No.
No, I don't think so either. This is high enough for me.
Yeah.
Look at that neat-looking boat out there.
They got ice cream, I reckon.
I think, and chicken sandwiches.
Arr, chicken sandwiches.
It's kind of neat to see tiki boats just going up and down. We came all the way up to the top, and we are actually seated right behind the captain here, so we kind of get to see behind the scenes of what happens on the Buccaneer Pirate Cruise. We are going to get underway in just a few minutes, but we have kind of, I think, the best seat because we're right on top. Of course, we can see all of the action. We have nice big bench seats, and we can see as far as the eye can see into the harbor here. Harbor. Look at that one. That one has some slides on it.
That hole, cover up those is. And hands on the inside of the rails while we're getting out of the slippers. Oh, 1 minute adventure. Land lovers all over my ship. Say we train them up as proper pirate crew.
All right, you guys have to listen to the captain. Lads and lasses, I need to see all your feet on the green circle because your pirate training is about to begin.
That's right, all you little pirates, feet on the circle.
Right here,
Now there's Captain Cutthroat. And we'll be running around with you having fun today. But first, we have...
As soon as the cruise gets started, they start having fun with the kiddos down below so that they're entertained, which is amazing. So us adults can go ahead and take a peek at the bridge and everything that we're passing, everybody over at Crab Island, and of course take a peek at what's going on in the harbor. So it's kind of neat because they keep the kiddos entertained and make sure that they're having a fun time as well.
Stop the ship!
Well, where is he? I'll get to it and make him do it right now.
It's you!
Hey, that's my job today.
Looks like they're hoisting the Jolly Roger flag up on the pirate ship. And of course the kiddos are able to help hoist the colors on the pirate ship.
Up there. She's going to be the one to fire the cannon, but Lady Captain has a hard time getting cannons to go boom, so we're all going to have her out anyways. Fire, so all of you plug up your ears, parents, plug up the babies' ears, especially up there with Lady Catherine. And I need you all to repeat after me. Everyone say, ready! Hey! Too early. Fire! Everyone give me a yo-ho!
Keeps the enemy off guard.
The kids are down having fun, and they keep them entertained like the entire time. So now they have like a bucket of water and little squirt guns. So of course they're gonna go after Captain Blackbeard. But I just wanted to show you how neat it is, because you can go ahead and sit in the shade over here and take a peek at everything while the kiddos are having fun down there. Look at, there's even a plane over there. Wow, up here we do have the captain, of course, driving the ship. But once the kids' activities start, you know, you kind of have this area to yourself up here. So there's a whole bunch of benches up here. And of course, life jackets if you need them. But we have our captain here pirating our ship. And we're gonna go on through underneath the bridge here.
So you know, it's right there.
Of course, while you see some dolphins out here, you can also see Crab Island as you're going by, and all the boaters having a good time out there. So then the little kiddos get to do some face painting, and they have a couple of different options to choose from. They come on down here and get some face painting done.
The mustache is my favorite.
That mustache is great. We've been on our cruise for about an hour, so of course you saw us go through or underneath that bridge, and now we've come all the way here, and I feel like we're kind of turning a little bit. I think we're going to head on back. But it's been enjoyable thus far. So they had tons and tons of activities for the kiddos. Just a few minutes, they're going to go ahead and start up some more activities. So they had hula hoops, they had some face painting, they had swashbuckling, of course, with some nice foam swords for the kiddos. So this is truly a really good family cruise for the kids to have fun, and of course parents to kind of be out on the water and allowing their kiddos to have some fun and enjoying it as well. So definitely do recommend hitting this one up if you want to go out on a pirate cruise. Theming on it is of course adorable and perfect for little ones and family and parents alike.
Inside the cruise, so that's what we did. But did you know, pirates, the further you go inside a cave, well, it gets a little darker inside. That's right, it was really dark inside that cave.
So while we were downstairs in the treasure room, they told us that there was a small treasure chest with 2 yellow buoys. And of course the kids all found the 2 yellow buoys out here. So now they're gonna go ahead and hoist up the treasure chest.
All right.
Look at that. She's gonna get the treasure.
Like Deadliest Cuts.
Maybe you should talk to the doctor about that. Yeah, the doctor doesn't want to.
Thank you all so much for joining us today on our Buccaneer Pirate Cruise. It's been a blast. If you guys want some more details on it, check that link down below in the description and the comments for all the details, specifications. Of course, pricing will be in there. Check out their website for all of the fun that they have. They have another cruise company as well. If you don't really feel the whole pirate theme, you can do something else. But until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye!